inspired ornament using leftover napkins that I had in the house. So if you want to see how I made this video, then let's get to it. So for this ornament, I'm going to take a plastic ornament that I got from Michael's. You can also get them from the dollar store, like the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to add some white paint into the inside, and I'm just going to put a little bit of water and shake the bulb just to help spread the paint around. Once I have the bulb completely covered in the inside, I'm going to let that dry. And then I'm going to take some napkins. So these ones, I also purchased them at Michael's. They're from the Martha Stewart collection. And they have a really pretty sort of watercolor floral design. So I'm just going to open up the napkin. And I'm going to cut out small sections. I've done this both ways, where I've separated the napkin completely so that it's just the top layer, or I've cut them out and then separated them. It's easier to cut them out when they're all together than it is, but it's a little trickier to separate the pieces. So either way, which way you find works easier for you. So I'm just going to separate the pieces once I have everything cut out. So now that I have them all cut out, I'm just going to remove the two layers so that it's just the top layer with the floral design print. Next, you're just going to take some glue. This is just regular white school glue. You can also use Mod Podge. And I'm going to dip my paintbrush in. And I'm going to take my ornament now that it is dry. And I'm going to add glue just in small sections, and then place the napkin piece over top. And then I'm just going to carefully work my way around the ornament, adding bits of glue and then just placing the napkin on the ball. And then you can just add little pieces, or you could fully cover your ornament in the napkin. Once you have your ornament completely covered to how you like it, Now you just have to set it aside and let it dry. Typically, I let mine dry overnight, and then once it's dry, you can add the metal piece back to the top of your ornament, and then just add some ribbon, string, or an ornament hook to hang it on your tree, and you're done.